Hi, my name is Dhruva and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Zapier to connect Bling and Google Sheets by having a trigger of creating a new CRM in Bling to creating a new spreadsheet in Google Sheets. So first, what you want to do is create a new CRM in Bling. So once you have reached your Bling website, you go to the customer section and you click add new contact, and you want to fill out the details of your clients. So once I've filled out all the details for my client, I can click save and a new CRM should show up. And now you want to go ahead and create your automation. So you click create new SAP and you search up Bling, and the event you want is get new customer record, and it will give you an option to connect your Bling account. And so if you haven't, you can do already, and it will ask you to test your triggers, so we can go ahead and click that, and it will find the CRM that we just created. And now for your action, you want Google Sheets and you want it to create a spreadsheet, and it will give you an option to connect your Sheets account, and you want to title your spreadsheet. So I'm just gonna put client details, and we can test the action on Google Sheets, and if it was successful, it will say a spreadsheet was sent to Google Sheets about 5 seconds ago. If you go to my Google Sheets, then we can see client details created at just the time of that this was recorded. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something.